Hi, welcome to another video about Audi A2. In this video I will replace the spark plugs because they need this. They were replaced I think 12 years ago and somewhere around 20-25,000 kilometers ago. So I will replace them, that everything will be fresh, and the procedure is quite simple. I will show everything step by step. So first we need to remove the hood and then we will go to work. And what I will be using to replace the spark plugs, so here are the 4 spark plugs, of course. As you can see, they are NGK. This is the part number. They should be basically the same spark plugs that are currently installed in from the factory in the engine. Then we need a ratchet to unscrew them. This is the spark plug removal part. It's size 16. I have also the prolongation for the ratchet because you need to access the spark plugs that are down. So this is one thing. I also have this magnet. I will show you why I need it. If you have a proper spark plug remover tool, you don't need it. Of course, we need also some cloth for cleaning. And this is the torque screw, torque wrench. And I need it because the spark plugs need to be tightened with 30 Newton meters of torque. So this is it. Of course, it is very advisable to have also an air compressor. Why? Because we need to clean all debris and all dust, everything from inside the place where the spark plug is installed, so that it does not go into the engine. So we need to start by removing this plastic part and disconnecting the coils. I will just open this one, just put a little bit up, and now I will connect it back so that no dust or anything does not go in. Okay, so now we just keep from here and push up. So this is the first one. Now we need to the second one, and the third one, and the fourth one. When we all have out, you see, you just take the plastic and everything, and I will just move it here. So I will use this opportunity and just clean a little bit these plastic parts here. I'll clean them so that no debris or anything, because they are a little bit dirty. Okay, that's it. And now I will thoroughly clean also this part here, so that all debris or any dirt, anything will go away and will not fall inside the engine. Okay. Now I will use the air compressor to clean any possible dust inside these spaces here. You can see that some of dust goes out. You see? Everything here. So as you can see, there is some dust inside these spaces where the spark plugs are, and it's good that it is clean so that it does not fall inside the engine. Okay, I think that now everything is clean. And now I will take this and just put on. As I said, it is 16. It has a rubber inside so that it keeps the spark plug together. Okay, so now I just push in, and now I will unscrew them. Okay, this is it, and now it's quite easy. It's easy to take it out like this. And first spark plug is out. Let us see. It's like this. Okay. Let me just take it out now. This is why it is good to have factory tool that it is connected, because now I have a little bit of problem. Okay, so I taken the spark plug out. I'll just put this into this one, and as you can see, it's NGK, and it's basically the same as I have it. The part number is exactly the same, except that, as you can see, it is factory Audi Volkswagen part. So this is the first one is out. Now let's go forward with the second one. Okay, I just push it in, and this one, and I just unscrew it. Okay, this one is a little bit harder. Yeah. Okay, and now it should go by hand. Yeah. Okay, and the second one is also out. It looks like this. Let me just take it out from this tool. Okay, and the same. Let's go forward with the third one. This is it, and okay. Okay. Okay, now it should go by hand. And is out also. So let me take it out. Okay, the same. And now let's go to the fourth one. This is it. Okay, this was a little bit harder, but it goes. And it's also out. Okay, and the fourth spark plug is also out. It's here, and we have all four spark plugs out. Now, if we check the difference, so this is the old one, and this is one of the new one. The part number is exactly the same as on this one. This is here, it's written also the same manufacturer, except that this is basically factory Volkswagen Audi part bought on Audi service, as it should be, because according to the service history the car was serviced regularly with the Audi dealer. So I will put the same spark plugs in, and now let's see why I need my magnet. So I will need my magnet because I will need to lower the spark plugs inside. And where is the problem with my tool? So as you can see here, if I put this in, here is rubber, it will not leave. It will, when I will screw the spark plug down, it will stay here because it is not connected with the rod. So I will just use my my magnet. to put the spark plug, to lower the spark plug in. So I'll do it like this, slowly, 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 and then I just use my screwdriver and it's in. I'm very careful so that I don't damage this spark, these things here. So next one, very slowly. So this is a little bit of do-it-yourself variant, but yeah, it works for me. So it's like this. The second one is in, and now let's go to the third one. It's going slowly in. Okay, it's in, and now also the fourth one. I need to lower it slowly. That's it, and I just use my screwdriver when it is down, that I release it from the magnet. That's it. All four are out. And now what I will do, I will just push this rubber from this side out, and so this will not stay on the spark plug, but it will go up when I will screw them in. So I will use now just my hand just to tighten them. That's it. Okay, it's nicely, as you can see, perfect. So just to tighten them by hand. This is the first one. Let's go to the second one. So it's very important that you have an air compressor or something, that you make all the dust and everything go out, so that it does not fall inside into the cylinder. This can damage the engine. Okay, so this is it. This is also hand tight. That's it. And now also the last one. Okay, and now I will use my torque wrench. I will set it to the 30 Newton meters, as it should be. This is stated by factory, so a little bit like this. Okay, and let's torque it to the right spec. Okay. Okay, done. 30. The first one is in. Now let's go to the next one. Okay. Okay, and the second one should be okay, 30 Newton meters. That's it. And let's go to the third one. You can tighten it by hand, but professional mechanics probably have the feeling, but I rather use my torque wrench, and I know that it is done as the factory specified. Okay, so the third one is almost. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, done. 30 Newton meters, and now the last one. Okay, and 30 Newton meters. That's it. This is done, and now what we need to do, we need to put all these coils inside slowly, so that they go directly to the over the spark plug. Let me check like this. Okay, I will just open this so that it goes below the. That's it. And now you just press them in. Okay, this is it. First, second one, third one, and fourth one. That's it. Just verify again, and yes, spark plugs are replaced. This was easy job, but it is good that you have the tools needed, because then it's much easier. And also I really do like to use the torque wrench, so that I know that the spark plugs are torqued to the specs. And of course, as I said, again I will repeat, it's very important that first you clean everything, and if it's good that you have an air compressor, so that you push out all the debris and all the dust that it is inside this holes so that they don't fall into the cylinder. Now that the spark plugs were replaced, let us try to starting the engine if everything is okay. So I will just wait that. That's it. And now let us try if everything is good. Oh yeah, perfect. It started immediately, and as you can see, it runs great. It runs great. Great, perfect. And this was the procedure how to remove the spark plugs. Very simple, 20 minutes of work and you should be done. It is good that you have a good quality tools together with the torque wrench. I do a lot of this work myself, so I buy tools. I try to buy at least mid-level tools, not the cheap one, but I try to buy at least mid-level tools or better, and then you have it for your whole life, and it makes working with the car and everything much easier. So thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Drive safe, and of course smile when you drive, because driving is fun. Bye.